Hello dear colleagues, engineers. In contrast to the previous technique, where I talked about the impossibility of continuous actions, I emphasize that nobody takes off a task from the ordinary and not quite ordinary engineers in production to organize the existing useful processes continuously. Yes, and in everyday life there are examples when we want to get some useful functions continuously. On production, the task of continuous efficacy is done by creating a reserve fund of equipment. For example, at the pump station, one pump is in operation, one is in reserve, and one is in repair. At the electrical substation, there is one transformer in operation, one in reserve, and one in repair. The number of equipment may vary depending on the needs of the production process. In everyday life, we are all accustomed to the fact that at home we always or almost always have light, water, gas, and these energy resources are supplied to us continuously or almost continuously just due to reserved additional equipment. These examples of applying the continuity of useful action method have been shown to attract your attention to those actions and their sequences which you specify in the process of working on tasks in production. So first you should set the perfect final result and then choose the method that leads you precisely the way to an area with new ideas to solve a task or an issue or a problem. That's all for the technique, the continuity of useful action. Have a practice this technique over the next day and it will become your reliable tool in non-solvable situations. And remember, there are no non-solvable situations. I know you can find a solution.